Hi you guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got this gold glitter stenciling on my buttercream finish cake. It was super easy. It came out so beautifully. You cannot see how beautiful it is in the pictures. The pictures do not do it justice at all. I loved how it came out. It's super easy, so I just wanted to share with you how I did it in case any of you are wondering. All right, I have got a plastic stencil here. I coated one side with some shortening, just a light coat of shortening. The side that will be touching the cake, I coated with shortening so that it did not pull off my buttercream on the finish. And in areas where I didn't get the shortening on, it definitely pulled off the buttercream, so make sure you cover it well. You also want to put your tier, your buttercream covered tier, into the freezer or the fridge so that it is nice and cold, solid, hard, and cold when you take it out before you put your stencil on it. Okay, so once it's cold, you put your stencil on it. You also want to color your buttercream that you're going to use as close to the color of your glitter, in this case gold, as possible. So I have mine colored a nice goldy yellow. Okay, so you want to stencil like normal. I have another tutorial on the Cakeheads website showing you how to stencil buttercream onto a buttercream finish, but so I'm not going to bother to show you that there. I just want to show you quickly. You stencil it before you take the stencil off. I've got the buttercream on there. I've put buttercream over top, the yellow buttercream over the stencil, and I scraped like normal to get the excess off, and then I use my Evil Cake Genius edible glitter. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it, and they come in these big jumbo jars. They're amazing. I recommend getting every single color because they're so amazing. I just dab it over with a fluffy brush, the gold over top of that yellow buttercream that I stenciled, and look at the gold glitter on my buttercream. It's just gorgeous. And in fact, this stencil was very old and it was a little bit wonky on me, so it wasn't laying flush on my cake. So you can actually see some extra yellow that had come through, but the gold really defined, the glitter really defined the pattern for me, even though that stencil was kind of wacky that I got 1400 years ago. And it really just made the pattern pop, and it was so beautiful. I'm telling you, these pictures do nothing for it. I wished I had stenciled every tier because I'm a glitter junkie. I'm gonna admit, and I just was so impressed with the gold glitter, and doing it on the stencil was just super fun. So here's the full cake I made for a very good friend of mine. I made some cold porcelain flowers. I have a tutorial for each one of these cold porcelain flowers up on the Cakeheads website. Handcuffs because the bride was a police officer and I knew the groom who would not mind, and I just couldn't resist. Okay, Evil Cake Genius gold edible glitter, all of their colors of glitter, edible, amazing jumbo jars. You want to get them, they're super cool. Uh, if you are not yet a member of Cakeheads, come on over and join the Cakeheads family. We'd love to have you there with us. There are hundreds of tutorials on the website, and the best part is you become part of the Cakeheads family, which is a group, all of the members hanging out online in our community group, answering each other's questions, helping each other out, sharing your work, just getting unstuck when you're trying to make a cake on the things that you get stuck on. It's really a great place to be. I love our family of members, so come on over and join us. All right. Thanks for watching. See you later.